Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cool 3D image effect in After Effects. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to this website. There will be a link in the description. And you have to import an image you want. So, for example, I have this very nice rocky cliff. So you're gonna go to this image to 3D and upload this picture and click Keep Occlusion Edges. Now you're gonna hit submit and wait a bit and it will create a 3D mesh like this. Now you want to download this, and after it's done you will upload this file into After Effects. We're gonna make a new composition, click OK, make sure it's set to advanced 3D, and we are going to scale this up and rotate so it fits the screen. Alright, so we have our composition. As you can see, I did a little bit of rotation and scaling and I got this. Alright, so now what you're going to do is click on this layer, click P, put keyframe for position, move, let's say here, and you're just going to move its position so it looks like it's zooming in. I'll put minus 2000. Maybe over here I will move position again. Maybe like this. And let's see what we have. And at the end we have a very nice 3D zoom image effect like this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a nice day and I'll see you soon. Bye.